everyone, welcome back to a new episode of How Logical. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download your Citi mobile banking application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Citi mobile banking application, firstly open your Play Store. On the search box type in Citi Bank and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on Install button and download the application. But if the application is not available on Google Play in your region, open your APK Pure application. Type in Citibank and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Tap on Install button on the bottom of the page. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you're connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on an Install button and tap on Open. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Citibank application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.